Hey there, welcome back to another part of this AutoCAD series. So in today's video, we'll be learning about controlling the visibility of UCS icon, view cube and navigation bar and creating our own custom template. So when you go in this view tab, you'll find three icons here: UCS icon, view cube and navigation bar. So this is our UCS icon. So currently it is visible. So when you click on this UCS icon, it will be turned off and the UCS icon will be disappeared. So click back on it and it's back again. So you can also control its visibility from command prompt UCS icon and click enter. So you'll get an option to on it, off it. So you can do as per your wish. So I'll skip this for now, and another is view cube. So this is our view cube. If you want it here, then that's fine, but if you don't want your view cube here, then you can just click on this view cube and it gets disappeared, and click back on it, it appears. And for navigation bar, this is our navigation bar. So clicking on it make it disappear and back is appear. So next we'll learn to create and save views in AutoCAD. So we have predefined views in AutoCAD. You can access it by clicking here in the top. So you'll get lots of views here. Also in the view panel, if you'll expand this drop down, you'll also find lots of views here. So for example, I have this drawing, right? So I want a view cube view for only this part of the drawing. So I'll click here in the new view and it opens up. I'll name the view as view 1, and you can select the type: cinematic, still or recorded one. I'll go with still. Current display means whatever on the display will be. So for now I'll click on define window and I'll select only this part and press enter. So you have already created. Click on OK button and you are done with. So now expand this drop down and you'll find view 1. So click on it. So that was the window that I selected recently, and I have created my own custom view. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.